The next point is GPS module interfacing. So, GPS means what? GPS means Global Positioning System. The Global Positioning System is a space-based satellite navigation system that provides location and time information in all weather anywhere on or near the earth where there is an unobstructed line of sight to 4 or more GPS satellites. The SKG-13BL is a complete GPS engine module that features super sensitivity, ultra low power, and small form factor. The GPS signal is applied to the antenna input of the module, and a complete serial data message with position velocity and a complete serial data message with position velocity and time information is presented at the serial interface with NMEA protocol or custom protocol. It is based on the high performance feature of the MediaTek MT337 single chip architecture. Its 165 dBm tracking sensitivity extends positioning coverage into a place like urban canyons and dense foliage environment where the GPS was not possible before. The small form factor and the low power consumption make the module easy to integrate into a portable device like P&Ds, mobile phones, cameras, and vehicle navigation system. So it makes the use of signal sent by the satellite in space and ground station on earth to accurately determine their position on earth. Radio frequencies sent from the satellite and ground stations are received by the GPS. The signals received from the satellite and the ground stations contain the timestamps of the time when the signals were transmitted, and by calculating the time difference between the time the signal was transmitted and the time the signal was received using the speed of signal distance between the satellite and the GPS. Next is the features. So the first feature is ultra high sensitivity 165 dBm, built-in 12 multi-tone active interference canceller, low power consumption, typical 22 milliampere at 3.3 volt, plus minus 10 nanosecond high accuracy time pulse. The output, NEMA output, advanced features, that is, it always look at UART interface 4800, 9600 or 38400 or 115200 bps. It has a small form factor 15 by 13 by 2.2 mm, and last feature is RoHS compliant, that is lead free. So the application for the GPS modeling is LBS, that is location based service, PND, that is portable navigation device, also vehicle navigation system. The fourth application is mobile phone, and the last one is extremely fast TTFF at low signal level. So to interface the GPS with microcontroller, the GPS module continuously transmits the serial data RS-232 protocol in the form of sentence according to NMEA standard. The latitude and the longitude values of the location are contained in the GPGGA sentence. To communicate over the UART or the USART, we need three basic signals, that is RXT receive, TXT transmit, and GND common ground. So to interface the UART with LPC2148, we need these three signals: receive, transmit, and common ground. Now receive data from the satellite to LPC2148 primer board by using GPS module through UART 0. The serial data is taken from the GPS module through MAX232 into SBUF register of LPC2148 microcontroller. The serial data from the GPS receiver is taken by using the serial interrupt of the controller. These data consist of a sequence of NMEA sentence from which GPGGA sentence is identified and processed. So here is a diagram which shows the interfacing of GPS module. The first block is LPC2148, next block is MAX232, next is DB9 connector, and last one GPS receiver module. So this is the connection of GPS module to LPC2148. So the received data from the satellite to LPC2148 primer board using GPS module through UART0. The serial data is taken from the GPS module through MAX232 into SBUF register of LPC2148 microcontroller. The serial data from the GPS receiver is taken by using the serial interrupt of the controller, and this data consists of a sequence of NMES sentence from which GPGGA sentence is identified and processed. So this is the diagram. So this is the pin assignment with LPC 2148. Here UART 0 ISP UART 0 P1 pin, it is connected to UART DB9 connector. So here two pins TXD0 RXD0. For LPC 2148 processor lines it is P0.0 and P0.1. Similarly for UART 1 it is TXD1 RXD1, and LPC 2148 pins are P0.8 and P0.9. So the algorithm for the GPS module interfacing with LPC 2148. First step is start. Next is initialize UART0 or UART1 serial interface using following instruction, that is pin select 0, 0x00000005. So enable P0.0 for TXD, that is transmit, and P0.1 for receive. Next U0 CLR clear 0x83, that is 8-bit character length, there is no parity, one stop. Next U0 DLL 97, baud rate is 9600 at P clock 1500 MHz. U0 clear 0x03 DLAP 0. So this second step is initializing UART 0 and 1, which is nearly same to the GSM module interfacing. Next, receive the GPS message of location and longitude through UART module using function. Then store the single character in visible GPS data UART 0 get ch. Then copy each single received character in array latitude and longitude. Then send this array character to LCD for displaying message, and then next is end. So the first 6 bytes of the data received are compared with the pre-stored string, and if matched then only data is further accounted for, otherwise the process is repeated again from the limited GPGDA sentence. Latitude and longitude positions are extracted by finding the respective comma position and extracting the data. So next is the embedded C code. The project name is GPS module interface with LPC 2148 using UART module. Then device used is LPC 2148, compiler is Keel. language used is LPC, embedded C language is used. Then hash include LPC. These are initialization steps. Next is unsigned character GPS data, that is this is for the incoming serial data. Next, unsigned int finish 0, that is it indicate the end of message. Next, unsigned int POS CNT 0 position counter. Next is unsigned int LATCNT 0 latitude data counter. Next is unsigned int log CNT, that is longitude data counter. Next, int FLG 0, that is GPS flag. In this program, the explanation of this is given in front, that is the instructions used. So next is unsigned int com CNT, that is comma counter. Then character latitude 20, that is latitude array. Then character longitude array is given. Then unsigned int I is assigned to 0, FG is 0. Then next is the LCD initialization, that is next is the LCD initialization. So G LCD MD 0x80 display LCD 1, then display again LCD 1, that is latitude. So display all these values here, latitude values, longitude values, all these. Then the next is finding GPRMC header. Then count commas in the message. Next is if com CNT3 is equal to 0 is equal to 33 and FLG is 1. So this is for the latitude. Next is for the if loop is for the longitude. Then end of GPRMC message, end of GPRMC message. And last one is finish. So here 3.3 volt supply, power supply to the LPC2148 primer board is given. Then connect plus 5 volt adapter with GPS module is connected with the LPC2148 primer board. Then open the hyperterminal screen, select which port we are using and set the default setting. Then screen should show some text message. If we are not reading the data from UART0, then we check the jumper connection and we have to check the serial cable is working. Otherwise, we have to check whether the code with debugging mode in the kill.